Alright, let's touch on what this is real quick. This is how I am able to jump the battery in the event that it dies without having to pull the subwoofer that takes up all of the room above the factory battery location, because this is a 2016, not a newer one that would have the battery up here. But I can't remember exactly what these connectors are called, but what I did, I purchased a long set of jumper cables, cut the ends off, whoops, threw this on there. See if I can do this with one hand. I can't.